Hi. In VCA, for employees to make or receive call, we need to configure extensions. In this video, we'll be looking into creating of extensions and attaching extensions to an employee. Only users with admin role have the permission to do this. There are two types of extension, web and voiceover IP phone or grand stream. For any employee to make a web call, at least one web extension needs to be attached to the employee. Similarly, for GS call, we need to attach GS extension to employee. So the first step is to create an extension. So for this, I've logged in with Salman user who has the admin role. So let's go to business management, exchange, voice, extension. Click on create new extension. Here we can add multiple extension. So let's add two extension. This will be of the type web and this will be of the type GS or grand stream. Save. Once it is saved, you can check for whether it is present in the list. Yes. So the next step is to attach this extension to an employee. So for this, go to business management, employee, search for the employee for whom you need to attach it to. Click on the last icon extension. Search for the extensions that you have just created. Select it. Yeah, once it is selected, you can see the group name. Group name refers to the name which will be shown when the call is made. Also, this highlighted extension means that is the default extension. Default extension is when the call is initiated by other user and none of the extension is selected, the call will be received through the default extension. We can change this according to our preference. Let me just so this or this and then click on save. We can click here to see if the changes that we made are reflected. Now we will log into Namita user and see whether the extension that we have attached is attached correctly or not. Yes, this is Namita user. So let's just refresh the screen. You can see the orange SIP icon will change to green because the extensions are attached correctly. Now, this is a soft phone similar to GS. Now, let's just call. Now, we'll see an example of a soft phone of employee Salman calling to the web extension of Namita user. Here you can see the call is being made and the name Salman comes. Now let's see the vice versa example. So we'll call from the web extension of Namita user to the soft phone of employee Salman. So let's go to the peers tab, search for Salman and click on the call. Hello. Yeah, so we'll make call to the extension by 002. So this is on the web of Namita user. So you can see Salman is getting a call from Namita user. If we can also check the logs of the calls that we made when we go to home. Here you can see we just made a missed call to Salman and the date and the times are all logged. Thank you.